Alright, so this is the Prairie. It is May 14th. So I got some nice flowers going. This is Tradescantia virginiana. It's a monocot. And it's sometimes called spiderwort because the area around the stamens kind of looks a little bit like a spider's web. And of course, I've got Baptisia australis. Got a lot of that. Lots of Baptisia australis. But the thing that I've got that's new this year are these guys right here. So these are Indian paintbrush. This is Castilleja coccinea. It's a member of the broomrape family. And these things right here, these are actually not the petals, these are bracts and the true flowers on the inside. So it's a member of the broomrape family, the Orobanchaceae. Fortunately, I've got a lot of Sericea lespedeza, which is this stuff right here. I'll probably just cut that out and give it to the goats because it's actually a natural warming agent for goats, but it's a horrible invasive species. Anyway, here's the one that started blooming a little bit earlier. So if you look closely there, you can see the stigma popping out. So I'll take one of these inside and try to dissect it. But these are really nice plants. They are hemiparasites, so meaning that they will latch on to other plants and draw some of their nutrients. They're still photosynthetic though, so they're not full parasites. So it's a really interesting group of plants, and they can be a little bit hard to establish in prairie plantations, but we managed to get them to show up, so I'm pretty impressed. As from the red color, you might guess they are hummingbird pollinated. I did get a hummingbird on one I saw just yesterday. So very neat plants. Definitely well worth trying to establish, but you can't plant them on their own. You can't plant them in pots. They have to be planted next to something that they can attach to. So minor issue. And they don't seem to be super picky about what plants they parasitize. They'll use grasses, forbs, pretty much anything. So as long as you have something for them to attach to, they'll likely be able to grow. Anyway, let's take one of these and look at it inside.